Watch this incredible liquid transform into perfect mattress foam. It expands incredibly fast, creating a supportive plush base. The rising foam looks just like a massive cloud. Workers carefully remove the molds to reveal the block. This massive foam block is ready for the next step. We wrap it securely to keep the pristine foam clean. A heavy industrial press descends to compress the giant block. Under immense pressure, the thick foam squishes down perfectly flat. Look how compact it becomes under this powerful, heavy machinery. A worker easily transports the flattened foam across the factory. This automated cutting wire slices the foam with absolute precision. The sharp wire glides through, creating perfectly smooth, even layers. Peeling back the layer reveals a soft and porous texture. The machine continuously slices uniform sheets for our mattress assembly. Every single cut is flawless, ensuring maximum comfort and support. Workers neatly stack these fresh sheets for the production line. Thick metal wire unspools rapidly to create durable pocket springs. Heavy machinery forcefully bends the steel into perfect spiral coils. Freshly minted metal coils travel down the busy assembly line. Smooth white fabric rolls into the automated pocket spring machine. Each steel coil is perfectly sealed inside a fabric pocket. These durable pocketed springs cascade down in a continuous strip. Mechanical arms apply strong adhesive to bond the spring rows. The rows press together to form a solid mattress core. Workers maneuver the heavy spring unit onto the assembly table. A pneumatic staple gun secures the thick metal border wire. Heavy-duty clips lock the steel edge firmly in place. They secure the entire perimeter to ensure lasting edge support. Thick white foam rolls out to encase the outer edges. This firm foam border prevents the mattress from ever sagging. Precision craftsmanship guarantees a solid edge for your new bed. The internal core is fully built and ready for padding. Workers retrieve massive rolls of plush white polyester fiber padding. They unroll the thick padding onto the heavy quilting machine. Hundreds of rapid needles stitch a beautiful continuous wavy pattern. The needles pierce the layers, creating a deeply textured surface. This incredibly luxurious quilted cover is finally ready for assembly. A worker carefully serges the edges of the quilted fabric. The industrial sewing machine binds the seam with strong thread.
She cuts a stylish dark gray fabric for the borders. The dark gray border is sewn directly to the edge.
A vibrant brand label is stitched onto the premium border. This elegant golden tag adds a final touch of quality. A thick layer of green comfort foam is placed down. Bright pink foam adds an extra level of plush softness. The beautifully quilted white cover is draped over the top. Workers precisely align the dark border around the mattress sides. This specialized machine expertly binds the top and side panels. The heavy-duty needle rapidly stitches the thick binding tape. Smooth, continuous stitches perfectly seal the rounded mattress corners together. The fully assembled luxury mattress is flipped on its side. It joins a tall stack of finished beds for packaging. Thick plastic film completely encases the newly built luxury mattress. A massive hydraulic press prepares to flatten the entire bed. The immense pressure vacuums out air and squishes it flat. The flattened mattress is tightly wound into a dense cylinder. This compact mattress roll makes shipping your new bed easy. Workers smoothly slide the rolled mattress into a cardboard box. Bright red packing tape securely seals the heavy shipping box. Your brand new luxury mattress is finally ready for delivery.
Carefully remove the rolled mattress from its sturdy shipping box.
Snip the plastic and watch the magic of rapid expansion. It inflates fully, returning to its original plush, luxurious shape. We place a bottle here to test the motion isolation. Zero motion transfer means you sleep completely undisturbed all night. Welcome to the modern facility where comfortable sleep is engineered. Advanced digital controls ensure every single mattress is perfectly crafted. Towering stacks of precision-cut foam await the assembly line. Every inch of quilted fabric undergoes a strict quality inspection. Heavy-duty spools of thread power the continuous sewing machines. Sparks fly as high-speed machines forge durable coils.
Perfect alignment is crucial for a beautifully finished edge.
Impeccable stitching binds premium fabrics with absolute structural precision. The automated line seamlessly wraps another bed in plastic. Watch the incredible machine power flatten the thick layers. Extreme tension tightly winds the bed into a cylinder. Teamwork makes loading these heavy rolled mattresses incredibly fast. A final seal ensures your bed arrives in pristine condition. Experience the ultimate comfort of a beautifully crafted mattress.
Feel the incredibly soft and responsive nature of foam.
Firm edge support safely keeps you secure all night.
Quality craftsmanship is woven into every single premium label.
Dozens of packaged mattresses are loaded for fast delivery. A fresh batch of liquid foam begins the cycle. The dramatic chemical reaction creates a massive comfort cloud.
Notice the incredibly fine and porous texture of foam.
Automated wires slice green comfort foam into even sheets. Delicate handling ensures foam sheets remain flawless for assembly. Ultrasonic welding rapidly seals each steel coil into fabric. Robotic arms build a perfectly uniform support core quickly. Fast and precise stapling secures the firm edge support. Massive spools of thread feed the complex quilting machine. Intricate wavy patterns add a lovely touch of elegance. Expert handling creates a seamless finish around every corner. Final quality inspections guarantee flawless comfort before final packaging. The finished bed enters the automated wrapper for sealing. Immense hydraulic power easily reduces the bed to fractions. The compact cylinder pops out, ready for home delivery. Bed-in-a-box delivery brings absolute luxury directly. Enjoy a restful morning on your incredibly comfortable mattress.